YouTube, PK, Porchcare, PK Networks, man. What are they doing to the world? Look at this shit out here. Look at this shit out here. What the fuck are they doing to the world? I know y'all can see all of this. Oh man, this is wild. They got this shit all the way fucked up, bro. Look at how foggy this shit is. And then look, I tell you guys every day that I'm out here running a business, undercover boss, and they keep on fucking up around me. Look at this. They got the businesses running and puffing the fucking smoke and shit from there, and nobody's doing nothing. Nobody is saying nothing. They're not calling the police, nothing. I got so many videos. Of what's going on and why is it so fucking smoky. It's always for entertainment fucking purposes only, just to fucking cover your ass. Because they know. In a court of law, you're wrong. Look at this shit. Look, the sun is trying to come out and fight so bad. Look. The sun is trying to come out so bad and fight this shit. Look at that, man. I know y'all see that smoke over there to the left coming from that building like it's on fire. Y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. I'm about to hit the tunnel, man. PK, Porchcare, PK Networks, bro.